Love birds a little too much? Now you can keep watching right from your phone. Let's meet TK Bird, the best 2-in-1 bird feeder with HD vision camera. A perfect place for your lovely feathered friends. ABS plus PC durable material builds for nature. Watch birds clearly with HD camera. Signal range covers more than 20 meters. No network lag. Instant notification makes you able to watch birds when they come. Also, recognizing birds are possible as you want. Sharing the videos and live stream just a click on your phone with your loved ones from anywhere. Best hardware performance can keep raindrops and moisture away from birds. Two solar panels keep the birdhouse working all the time. No need to worry about squirrels. The hunking tap on the app can help you get them away. Let's define the right future of bird watching. Follow us to join the community of innovators.